Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Dash Auto Works. In today's video, we got something special behind me. We got a new car from Copart. It's gonna be another rebuild series. It is a SUV. It's supercharged. It's a V8. Let's see some guesses. It's British. It's British, yeah. I guess you would already know if it's British. Hopefully it's not a unreliable piece of shit. But yeah, it's a 2014 Range Rover Sport Autobiography. Beautiful. Got the 5-liter supercharged. White on red. Got the fucking side steps. Unit. What else we got? Heated and cooled seats. We got some broken seat belts. Unfortunately, it wasn't an insurance crashed. So the body shop took it apart and left us with no spare parts. So this is how it sits right now. Has no power steering or anything. Runs great though. Has no coolant in it. Has TVs in the back with some nice big red Brembos. Got some air suspension. Panoramic roof. I tested out the speakers. They're pretty good. This one came with the 5-liter V8. Supercharged, it produces 510 horsepower and 464 foot-pounds of torque. The 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. A ZF8 transmission. We gotta get this taken apart. See if anything else is broken behind here. So yeah, that's where we stand right now. And it's gonna go to someone in the family. Nijo!
I found the seatbelts. I'm gonna order them.
Yeah?
75 bucks.
What do you think of the car?
Should I order them?
Sure.
I'll see
All
if I can get
four
a
of
better.
them?
75 bucks a piece.
A piece. So that's
It's 60, 70 bucks to send them out, get them repaired, and bring them back. Five.
four.
Oh, the middle's okay.
Four are broken. This one's. The middle ones are okay. Just these.
Who
Sides.
needs the buckles?
Sides.
Everything's been buckled? No.
He's got the 750. It's still trooping good. Just put like 5,000 miles on it.
These don't work at all?
No.
We might need the buckles on these, but let me see if I can get a deal with them for all four.
Some boss. I already connected my phone.
Did you?
Yeah. I wanted to see how the speakers
Got a
sound.
fridge.
I know.
I gotta get a PlayStation.
Why? For the TV?
It's a surprise for somebody, huh?
Yeah. Dude, this thing is sick. So now, let's get you guys set up so we can take this out and see what's hiding under here. Hopefully nothing. And let's get started. Pretty solid. As of now, we don't see any more damages that have been already done. Fan looks intact still. Kind of. That's good. Yeah, I don't see anything else. Alright guys, continuing on the Range Rover legacy of the rebuild. We are currently still waiting for parts for it. But we have the seat belts that are locked up. So I think I'm gonna change the rear ones right now. I don't think it'll be that difficult because I have nothing else to do. But we gotta put the car in neutral because we can't start it right now. Because it'll leak everything. I watched one video. Supposedly you pop this up and then there's some lever there. So I'm gonna go get one pick tool. And let's see if it's true. So I have figured it out, I guess. It does work. So I think you lift this up, you do that, And you take the screwdriver, whatever you have, and you turn it like that. And when you lift it up, no, wrong way. Maybe like this. Guys, that's how you get into neutral, I guess. See? I can't really get a good angle on this. There's a clip right there that it sits on, and it holds it in neutral. So let's put the ignition on and see if it's true. Neutral. Okay, let's roll it forward. Using the Excursion right now as a camera holder. Let's see if we can move it. Shit's almost like 6,000 pounds. Imagine it crashes into the Excursion. I guess this gives us pretty good access to the rear. Yes, it does. We gotta change these ones. They're over there. Okay. So let's get started. Moving ahead, we have a bolt right there that holds the seatbelt, the rear seatbelt. It looks like a plastic screw. Guys, I got this out. This is the main part of the seatbelt that goes in there. I thought it was a plastic screw, but it's just a cover. It's a 15 that goes right here. Holds the seatbelt, and then the cover goes on top. So now, I don't know how this comes apart. I guess we're gonna figure it out right now. Hey guys, quick update. This has to be the most fucking stupid place a seatbelt can ever stay. But anyways, if you ever want to know how to take it out, this one comes out first. There's a screw here, 8mm. There's a screw here for this side panel that stays here, 8mm. You pop out. There's a tab here, like if you have a 7-seater. And then there's two T30s here that hold the bolts. On this one, see the holes for it? Then you take out the carpet here, and there's a clip here, and then there's another screw behind here that you have to get to. And then this is what we're left with. But now, I think I have to take out some more stuff to get access to the seatbelt, because I can't even, I see it right here, but it's gonna be a pain in the ass to get to. If you guys are watching this at home, just know, this was the biggest pain in the ass. So basically, I disconnected the battery. There's another battery here. This I didn't take out because I'm not gonna take any more wires out. I had to move the fuse box out of the way so I can get access to this bolt. And yeah, so I'm gonna take that bolt out, and we're finally gonna get the seatbelt out now. Guys, continuing on the Range Rover's rebuild, we got this radiators and stuff in, and then we also got something. We got a whole other car to make up for parts. So we got this whole ass front nose for it. I mean, we don't even need all of this, but yeah, pretty cool. And then when you open it, we got no engine, anything, but everything was missing off of that car because the previous body shop didn't give any parts when it was sold on Copart. So yeah, we started transferring a bunch of stuff already.
So this is different. On the 5.0 must be something else here. See? This what goes here. Horn. This is supposed to go here. 3 wires. This is for the sensor. Yeah. So we got all the wires. There's a difference. This is probably fog lights. The wires are all here. That's the headlight. This is going to be the sensor. This is the difference right here. 5.0 must be different. Here. Horn, front. Unless the shutter is different on the 5.0. That's the difference right here. So the rest is okay here. This is the sensor, horn, to the shutter. So the other wire is different. Unless it's a different kind of shutter. That's what we gotta check.
Current dilemma with the Range Rover. The shutter, or whatever that wire is, it's not the same wire. Well, currently we're filling up the power steering reservoir to see if the power steering cooler is leaking or not. And then we're waiting for coolant and we want to start it. And yeah. Sheesh. Nijo's smiling. Range Rovering. Compressor is compressing. Supercharger's gonna supercharge. This thing is crazy. Currently, right now, the situation is we have filled some jugs with water because Li Auto parts have failed us and they close at 5 p.m. and it's currently 6. So right now, we're testing the power steering cooler to see if it's gonna leak or not. So we're just putting water temporarily.
I figured it out.
Huh.
It's gotta go.
Why?
There's another coolant fin.
This doesn't have a shutter?
No, there's another coolant fin.
That's why. That's what that looks for.
There's another big coolant fin.
No shit. Small one?
How much is that?
400.
GG. You guys ready to hear a f***ing 5.0 liter supercharged V8?
Watch it not start.
Can't trick them again.
Yeah, water. Turn the wheel. It's not leaking. But it's not leaking.
It's not as hard as a rock.
It's not turning either.
Sucking it all up.
Try giving it a little gas. No?
It's getting better. I feel like.
Huh?
I feel like.
Sure you hooked up everything in it?
Oh.
Both of you.
You sure this is not electric steering? I got an idea. Turn it off. Hold on, stay in there. Try it now.
Okay. Ah! He fixed it. What'd you do?
It's electric steering.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So I think that is only for the suspension, the sway bar, the fluid. It works.
It's Range Rover steering now.
See if it's gonna move or not. No, right?
Nope.
No,
They work. Shit, nice. See how nice he's on the bottom? Good. Looks nice.
Oh yeah.
Those are nice. Look like little crystals in it.
Now to top it off.
Oh, geez, you missed the bumper out. Okay, it's done. Wrong color, but it's done. Yeah, I'll help you.
Fine. It'll look something like this, I guess. Just leave it. It doesn't. We're gonna take one.
Okay, wait. Yeah, finish
Beautiful.
it. Finished. Drive it.
Alright guys, continuing our journey on the way with the Range Rover. I'm gonna take the rear bumper off because we are gonna make this gloss black and then make this white, so paint match to this. And then we are waiting for the cooling fan assembly to come in because I guess the 5.0s don't have a shutter, which we figured out for this connector. And then we were waiting for these cameras to come in for the front bumper. Our good body man repaired the front bumper, so I just gotta paint the hood that's over there. I'm gonna get this ready, so I'm gonna take it out so we can sand it down. And I still have to replace the 2 front seat belts. Then we gotta fill the transmission with oil, fill the car with coolant, and then just slowly put it back together. Hopefully today we can have it running, like actually without limping it around. But yeah, let's get the bumper off. Bumper off, took it all in pieces so we can paint it and get it ready for paint. Now we're gonna come to the front and start taking this all apart again, and hopefully we'll have it running today. Okay guys, so currently we got the new fan in, so now trying to dial all this up. Gonna put it back together slowly. Now we gotta route the wires correctly over here, because there's some brackets that are specially made for here to clamp on. Put the horn back, put this back, and make everything nice. Update: Range Rover is coming together. Got some air boxes on her. Expansion tank is back, all of this is back. Got the reinforcement on. Looking like a car again. What do you think?
Good.
We got a special guest appearance.
Oh, I'm here.
Buyar Bakiri came for a car wash and now he's just watching. Currently transferring over these from the junkyard thing. So let's pop them in. Currently just filled it up with some coolant. Gonna fill up some trans fluid now. Hell yeah. Can we do it with one hand? Okay. Only the best. Liquid moly.
Try one more? Okay, well, that's a waste. We gotta get it to 40 degrees Celsius.
Let it get up to temperature first to make sure it's not going to overheat.
Squeeze!
Try. Cold start. Let's the heat up all the way. Currently have an airbag light, a check engine light,
Gearbox fault.
Where?
When you turn it on, maybe.
Oh no, because I had this lever up to make it go in neutral.
It's alive!
It is alive.
It's alive!
You guys want to jump in or what?
Heavy doors. It's fine. Again.
First drive in the Range Rover. Seems okay. That's going here. What the fuck are you doing? Wait, you never seen a car taken apart before?
Smash it part number 2.
Feels like a big boat.
It is blowing that air.
Yeah.
Is it blowing heat?
Yeah.
So we good?
I guess so.
So far, so good.
Update of the Range Rover. Got the hood off of the gray car, put it on the white car. Look at her now. Looks like a car. We had put these in, the surrounds for the coolers. We got the thing down there on. On the outside and the other side of the shop, I got the front bumper and the rear bumper. Got the front bumper all primered, ready to be painted. I'm gonna make this gloss black. The skid plate is coming. I'm gonna make that white. Paint match to this. So these are gonna be white, black, white. I think it'll look pretty cool. And then outside over here, we got the rear bumper stuff. Had some little cracks in it and stuff, so just redoing it. But the main reason we took it out was to make that gloss black. But just repairing anything on that. So here we have this. This is gonna be gloss black. He sanded it down to so the finish can be smooth now, and it's gonna be gloss black. And there's a middle piece on it that I want to make white, so it's gonna be paint matched to the car. So yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty nice. And I think I'm gonna repair the 2 front doors or paint them, because unfortunately when the car got in an accident, the hood got pushed back. I cracked the paint on the doors, which is super unfortunate because that's annoying. It didn't need to be painted. Sabri actually pointed it out because I didn't even see that. And over here, can you see that? Yep. Unfortunate, but yeah. This will be ready for paint. I gotta paint the whole hood. I kind of want to take it on a little test drive again. See how it drives, because this actually has like the whole front end on. I might put the brake lights on temporarily, see what happens. So I can drive it around the block. Tail lights on. Got a little temporary plate on. You guys already hear a cold start. On a 5-liter supercharged Jaguar V8.
Needs some oomph. Too quiet. Sounds nice though.
Look at that. No lights on the dash. Only thing on is the airbag light. This thing's sick, to be honest. Oh, I just did some fucking revs. Hold on. This thing sounds actually good. You can't even cap. That sounds fucking good. First initial drive, I didn't go over 25, so I couldn't really tell you much, but it drives nice. Transmission seems like it's shifting well. Currently, the fan wasn't working. It was overheating. So Sabri checked the fuse. The fuse was blown. Fan started working. But hopefully it's not gonna overheat now. The fan did work on the first day, I feel like, because it wasn't overheating. But now yesterday it overheats. Today it's overheat. Well, we'll see what happens now. Drive attempt number 4. Staying at half. It's hot as fuck in here. The heat's actually working now. It's not overheating. Seems happy right now. I think it's fixed. Just pray that fan is okay, because it's brand new. Oh yeah, dude, this thing is blowing heat. It's hot as fuck in here. Coolant light came on though. Good, right? Yeah. No overheating. Alright guys, continuing on. I'm just gonna put together the rear bumper slowly, and then we're gonna install the rear bumper. Front bumper, we're still waiting for a wiring harness and the camera sockets for the cameras on the bumper. Hopefully they come today so we can figure that out. I just really want to get the back bumper on the car so it looks a little more complete. So yeah. We got the rear bumper installed. What are we thinking? In my opinion, it looks a million times better. Dealer just came, installed the rubber piece that was missing here. And then here is the wiring harness for the bumper. But we still have a bunch to do. I think I'll install the hood next. But yeah, we're gonna get it done. So I'm gonna ask Alec to give me a hand with the hood right now. And we'll get that installed, and then I'll install all the pieces that go onto the hood. So I'm gonna bring you guys over here. Been waiting for this, just flipped it around. Starting to work on the bumper now. Got this in black to go here. Oh, that looks good. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Let's make it official. It's kind of hard to mess this up. There you go. That's it. Black one. What do you guys think? Close the hood. Looks good, yeah. Color. It's okay. The original swatch for that, where I had to make pink because there wasn't a swatch, it was very yellow. There was another swatch, it was way too blue. And there was this one, it's like right in the middle, like because it has green and yellow in it. And then the other one was just straight yellow, and the other one had a bunch of blue in it. So out of the three, I think this one matched the best. So we're gonna roll with this one. Okay guys, Range Rover is on the lift. Being a pain in the butt right now. According to all data, this sway bar has bleeders on it, and it has a pump for this. So that is what the rubbing noise or grinding noise is that we're hearing. So right now Sabri's attempting to bleed the system, I guess. Is that right?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Just trying. Hopefully it works because it took a little more fluid right now. It's not looking too good. And I guess that the rear has one too. Over here. And over here. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. But on the bright side, bumper looks nice. Not gonna lie, Range Rover's taking a major L doing this design. I was gonna swear, but I'm trying to be more clean for the camera. I hope it works because the pump's like $1,500. Let's see if this puppy's fixed. Feels better, right?
We haven't even turned yet.
I don't know, it feels smoother. Something. Moment of truth. Promising. Didn't do it.
I can't hear it.
It's doing it.
Yeah, it's doing it.
It's not as bad though. Back on the lift. Don't think so. That one did. Oh yeah. You hear that shit?
Yeah, there might still be a bunch of air in there.
Maybe I'll come later and buff the hood. Or at least sand it. The hood is very orange peely. I don't think it looks that great. Definitely needs some work. It's currently 9:20 p.m. I'm gonna wet sand the hood right now. I'm gonna try and get all this orange peel out. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's really bothering me, so I'm gonna do it. If it doesn't take me too long to wet sand it, I am gonna probably buff it tonight. Really trying to finish this car for Saturday. It is currently Wednesday night because we have to bleed that system more because it's still making that noise. So we have to put together the bumper tomorrow. Then it needs to go to AC place over here to refill the Freon because it has the new stuff. It doesn't have the R134A. Then I really wanted to do a little paint correction, just a quick one-step paint correction and ceramic coat it, but I don't know if I'm gonna have time for that. But one thing that's really bothering me about this whole car right now is these side steps. I don't know why it's bothering me so much, but it's really irritating me. And of course I have to detail the whole car. The interior is filthy, but everything else seems solid. Oh, I forgot about the airbag light. The airbag light has a mind of its own right now. Really gonna try and push to finish it for this weekend, but I don't know. It's gonna be close because then it needs to get registered too. Put insurance on it. It's gonna be a close one.